Assalamualaikum and Hi. First of all, I would like to thank to Dr. Lot Kembing as a lecturer who teach the subject of Port and Shipping Management for Group 2. Our group consists of 5 people. Firstly, Muhammad AKIF bin Muhammad ASRI. Secondly, Muhammad Shahmi bin Muhammad Shukri, that is me. Third, HAKIMAH binti ABDUL MANAN. Fourth, BAHRIAH binti ZAINAL. And the last one is SITI NORZAHERA binti Muhammad SYAIKIN. Okay, now I will explain about industry selected. Industry selected that have been chosen by our group is Haulage. Haulage can be defined as the business of transporting or moving goods by road or railway, such as truck, trailer, train and so on. Haulage services are used to transport large and heavy goods, for example, container of merchandise. For your information, the haulage services are widely used at port area especially. This is because the port has a large number of containers and this will facilitate the process of delivery of goods. Okay, now I will explain about industry description. The organization that can relate to haulage is KT Haulage. KT Haulage Company is one of the companies in Malaysia that offer or provides professional one-stop logistic and continuity services. KT Haulage Company was established in 1978, which is headquartered at Port Klang, Malaysia. KT Haulage also have a team of highly trained and experienced personnel in handling the logistical issues related to the transportation of goods. Besides, KT Haulage also have their own missions. The company vision is to always strive to achieve the excellence set in providing innovation, practical logistics and better quality in delivery services. And lastly, KT Haulage also have their own visions. The company vision is to be the top 10 comprehensive and effective in providing logistic and development services in Malaysia that is coincide with the goal that have been set by the company.
I want to talk about product and service provided by KT Haulage Sdn Bhd. Firstly, the provision of transportation such as a lorry, also service provided by KT Haulage Sdn Bhd to move the company economy. Transportation is the business at transportation goods by road or train. The industry covers all operation of freight transport. It includes truck transport for various types at goods such as load stock transport, cool good transport, bus transport and waste material transport. Secondly, the service provided by KT Haulage Sdn Bhd to move the economy, especially in the port of Klang and Johor, are handling cargo. Cargo handling service will ensure that the arrangement of container in the port can be arranged well according to the type of good found in the container. The container arrangement at the port will use forklift and crane for lifting and arranged neatly. Finally, port clearance is also service provided by KT Haulage Sdn Bhd to move the company economy. Port clearance is a freight forwarding activity and a service delivery agent activity defined as a delivery service on behalf of a consignee and the declaration of receipt of goods including local pickup and delivery.
Next, I will continue the discussion on the impact of autonomous system to the current and future maritime industry. There are 30 respondents from KT Haulage Sdn Bhd who filled the Google form. Charts show the knowledge about the autonomous system among the respondents. More than 70% respondents agree and strongly agree that they know about the autonomous system very well. Other than that, majority of the respondents agree that their company have applied the autonomous system. A lot of respondents also agree that The autonomous system is something that connects with the Internet of Things. Autonomous system can help the growth of their company. Autonomous system connects all the organization to the Internet and the others. Based on the chart, it can be concluded that most of the respondents from KT Haulage Sendirian Berhad have a good knowledge about the autonomous system.
I will continue the discussion on the impact of autonomous system in the current maritime industry from the aspect of current company productivity and operation to the service provider and the employees at the company. Overall, almost all respondents or employees working in the company KT Haulage Sendirian Berhad have already agreed that the existence of this autonomous system is very helpful. For example, in terms of productivity or operation, this system helps in speeding up work, help to have full control in movement and more efficient. However, there are also some who do not agree that it helps companies to have the most cost-effective logistics, which is where only 46.7% agree and 3.3% do not agree. Next, for employees, the majority also agree that with the new autonomous system, it will change the style of work for the employees. The employees need to adapt to the new work environment and be aware of the spending of the technology nowadays. For example, in the statement that the autonomous system reduces the needs of employees in the company, 43.3% of respondents agree, while 13.4% are among those who do not and strongly disagree. While the impact on the service carried out, roughly half of them agree and the other half are less certain with the use of the system is able to provide the best 100% service, such as in terms of security or safety and so on. It can be seen that as much as 50% of the total respondents vote on a neutral scale, that by applying the autonomous system, it will be able to provide better service to the clients, and 46.7% on safety for drivers, which lead to efficient service performance. The second, we will talk about the impact of autonomous system in the future anyway. From the finding of the study conducted, also almost all responded or employees, they agree that this autonomous system is very helpful and needed by the company in the future, both in terms of productivity, employees and their service. They agree that with the use of the system in the future, will be able to consultancy for client shipment, offer creative warehousing, and identify desirable goal, corporate with wide network and others. For example, 56.7% agree that it would create a more efficient automated transportation, such as self-driving truck. However, there are also those who do not agree, which is only 3.3%. Similarly, the impact in the future of employees, most of them agree and some disagree. For example, the use of autonomous system in the haulage will make existing employees more lazy to do work. 10% of them disagree and 3.3% strongly disagree. On the other hand, in the decreasing statement of staff need, there are 6.7% disagree and 30% are neutral. And last but not least, the majority of them agree and strongly agree that the use of autonomous system in the company is one of the factors that helps in the further improving the service efficiency offered by the company.
I will summarize this report. In conclusion, haulage services, as we know them, is a service that specially provides freight service in a large quantity, and while autonomous system is believed that to facilitate and further enhance the service. Through research and answer from the respondent found that using a logistics system, this autonomous system will be faster and more efficient, and will make higher demand in the future. Similarly, autonomous systems such as use robotic equipment have not been seen in this country more extensive and were recently introduced, but respondents agree that it can provide faster and more efficient than using further trusted human service. This system is only practiced in the field of transportation, but it can be used in various other fields such as education, auto communication service, and more. Then progress can be achieved. Therefore, this haulage service can be further developed in this country. That's all. Thank you.